Hi, Marianne. This is Susie Bussman at Mexico State University, and I'm going to send you an email with this and point you to this little video I'm making. But Google Translate works, I think, really well, and it works with over 100 languages. Not that it's an end-all and be-all, but now I'm at the Chrome Web Store. You do have to use Chrome because it's an extension or a plugin to the browser. And yes, I am on a Mac. So I'm not sure how it works on a Windows machine, but you can get Google Translate and you can get Google Translate Plus as well as Translate Selected Text. I've just been using Google Translate. I didn't even know these other apps extensions existed. And so obviously you just click Add to Chrome and I say Add Extension, and then it's going to add another little icon up here in the upper right hand corner of my so I'm going to close that, of my browser. So now I have Google Translate Plus, Google Translate, and that's my login. There's probably another one here because I just added it, and because I can customize the panel. But it tells me that I've now I can rate it because it's all been added to my Chrome. So that said, let's go actually test drive it because I've been using it on Spanish courses here at New Mexico State. So I am in Canvas and I am navigating to a course that is in Spanish. And here it is. And it loads and it's in Spanish. And then it says, now it's going to, it just translated it and tells me I have options. So I can actually change the languages. I have my browser set to English, but most of the time it's translating, in fact, exclusively Spanish. But the page language is Spanish, but I can translate it into a lot of different languages. So if I say Burmese, translate, it's done. How good the translation is, since I'm not a native speaker of anything really but English, I can get by in my Spanish, but if I want to say French, translate. Now, the thing that you have to do, because now I'm going into the modules, and it asks me, do I want to translate this page? So you do have to click when you want to get the page translated, and it sometimes takes a little time, like it's translating right now, and there it is, to the best of its ability. It's in, I had it in Spanish, so if I wanted to put it back into, always translate into English, no wonder it didn't look quite like English, because it wasn't English, it was in French. And I said options, always translate English. Let's see if it'll do it. And do. Now it didn't do such a great job there. But if you're just sticking with one language, I found it to so if I say always translate English, let's see if it'll translate. So maybe I'm going to crash and burn here. It did translate before. Still in Spanish, still in French here. Maybe it needs to be translate this page. Maybe I say English. And it also has a speech option, but I'm not so sure that, there it is. Now it translated it into English. So it went from Spanish to French and from French to English with just some patience and some clicks, so that you can actually get down to a lot closer understanding of the language. It's not an end-all and be-all, but I thought I would share this with you. It's very easy to use, and it's free. That's always good. So have a great day. Thanks.